150 hectares of land. The cost of the entire Kosi scheme is estimated to be over 500 million rupees. The construction of the barrage has brought with it a number of accompanying benefits. A colony has been built at Birpur to house Nepali and Indian workers. It is a modern township with facilities that include a regular water supply. This supply of drinking water in a place known to suffer from intermittent drought is derived from newly dug tube wells. Hospitals too have been established. These are equipped and staffed by experienced doctors and nurses. There are schools, libraries and recreation centers for the residents of the area. There are playgrounds too, which provide space for healthy exercise for children as well as grown-ups.